guys, how are you? What can I get you today?
What would you like? Toast. Like this. You want a cheesy toast?
Yeah, when you're ready. Thank you. Yeah, sure. The spicy one or how many pieces would you like? Is that one or three?
I'll do one. Kimchi cheese.
It's pretty nice, guys. I come and try. Not just because I make it. Takes about 2 minutes, yeah. We also offer free kimchi tasted if you want to have a little taste of the kimchi. We got 4 different varieties. Yeah, you probably haven't heard about.
Yeah, I haven't seen pineapple.
That you guys have.
I have allergies, so I won't be able to try it. But
Pineapple. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I recommend to try white one first instead of purest flavor. Then goes on to maybe finish with the pineapple is the sweetness. Yeah. So me and my wife are making a small batch every 2 weeks. Yeah. Everything handmade also. Yeah. So since you guys remember kimchi compared to store kimchi, we're making small batch so the fermentation level is pretty low.
Yeah.
So it's pretty fresh still. Morning, how are you?
Good, bro. How are you?
Very good, thank you. What can I get you?
Kimchi jam.
Toasty?
Cheese toast?
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome, thank you.
No worries. My pleasure.
Oh, yum. Kimchi.
Pineapple, yeah. Have you tried our pineapple kimchi before? Do you want to have a little taste? Or you just put it on?
Yeah, okay, man. I'll try.
Yeah. That's what I'm here for, so
Yeah.
never know.
It's more like sweet than spicy.
Yeah. It's more like savory almost, but it goes really well with any fatty meat.
Pretty good. Yeah, for sure.
Um,
Oh, thank you. I do love just straight up kimchi though.
Okay. So I got this traditional spicy wombo, non-spicy wombo, cucumber and pineapple and the beef stand. You wanna try it? Yeah, all of those.
That was really good. I actually really like the pineapple taste.
All right.
Right? Pineapple.
Pineapple? Yeah, sure.
And so you reckon like a roast pork kind of dish or something
Yeah,
for it?
yeah.
I'm going to figure out what to cook this week, so I might do that now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ah, yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, the ham and cheese is not spicy. Yeah. Ham and cheese? Yeah. Thank you. It takes about 4-5 minutes. Yeah. Hi guys, how are you? Good. Do you want to have a little taste?
Yes, please.
All my close friends, they might just snack it on the way, so they finish half of it. How did it go, guys? Do you like any of those kimchi?
Really good.
Thank you very much, Adrian.
That's really good.
We make me and my wife very proud. Thank you.
Are you here every week?
Every 2 weeks, so first, third, I'll go to Manly. So yeah, so if you don't see me this week, I'll be here next week.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
No worries. Hi guys, how can I help you? Oh, welcome back. Hi.
We thought you were on the other side, and I was like, he's moved again.
Yeah. This is my second time I'll be here, so I'm assuming I'll be here every now and
Oh,
then.
how good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, I was there like all by myself, alone, but
No,
love
how
that
good.
idea.
Can I please have a kimchi jam bacon toasty
Yeah.
and one of the arancini?
Arancini. Which one? The spicy or non-spicy one?
The spicy.
Spicy one. One or three?
Just one. Yeah. Thank you.
No worries. How you guys been? Alright?
Yeah, pretty good.
How are you?
Yeah, very good. Yeah, good. Good to see you guys.
Yeah, of course.
Thank
you.
Thank you. Would you like to have a little drinks? Any drinks?
I'm alright.
I'm all
Thank
good,
you.
man. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no worries. Okay,
Can I get one with you?
cucumber, yeah, sure. Thank you very much, guys. Yeah, thank you. Have a good day. Yeah, just get one extra for you. It's been waiting so much.
That's okay, thank you.
So I got half an hour ago, like no one's there, and then when you guys are coming, just
All of
all at
us.
once.
Yeah, that's how it is. So much.
It's never smooth.
Have a lovely day. Thank you. Yeah. If you're interested in our kimchi, you can have a little taste. Would you like to have a little tasting?
I do make my own, but I haven't had a chance to do it.
Okay. Yeah, so pineapple, cucumber kimchi. That's a seasonal. That's a traditional kimchi. And there's a non-spicy vegan kimchi if you want to have a taste.
Can I try the pineapple?
Try some pineapple kimchi.
Do you guys want to try some kimchi? So our kimchi is we're making small batch every 2 weeks, so it's a bit different to the store one. A lot crunchier and less fermentation. If you put it in the fridge from now, 3-4 months, I reckon it's a good time for eating it as it is. Yeah, you know, like a air conditioner. Okay, yeah, thank you. Bless you. Yeah, thank you.
What do you put with kimchi? Nana, what do you put with kimchi?
Thank you. All the best to your moving plan. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. 안녕하세요. 김치 트라이 해보세요. 이거는 햄앤치즈 토스트고요. 그 김치 토스트는 사워도에 나와요. 네, 조금 더 이것저것 많이 들어가거든요. 베이비용.
그냥 김치도 이렇게 하시는 거예요?
네, 맞아요. 이렇게 드셔보세요. 4가지 종류인데요. 백김치도 있고, 비건 김치예요. 그래서 피시소스 안 들어간 거고, 국물이 조금 많은 게 특징이고, 그 젓갈이 조금 덜 들어가서 뒷맛이 깔끔한 게 특징이고, 약간 식당 거 먹으면 약간 그 뒷맛이 약간 느끼한 게 있는데.
저는 서울 사람이어서 이게 좋아요. 안 진한 거.
네. Traditional spicy bombok, there's non-spicy bombok, cucumber and pineapple kimchi.
Maybe try this one and this one.
Those two? Yeah, this one? Okay. I'm just typically making kimchi every 2 weeks with my wife. So anything more than like a month, I'm just making for like a kimchi jam out of it. So you'll get fresh one every now and then.
Oh, okay, cool.
Just letting you know. There's a little kick at the end, but it's not too spicy. We use a 100% pineapple itself. just mixed with the kimchi sauce. Any like a fatty meats go really well with that.
Yeah.
Please your mouth.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a lovely day. Morning, sir. How are you? What can I get you? Yeah, sure. How's your morning been so far? It's been alright.
Are you new sorted?
Yeah, pretty new here. Yeah. Do you want to try some kimchi while you're waiting? Or
Maybe next time.
next
But I'll
time?
be back. Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Yeah. Morning, guys.